the moon over you. Bless the trees, my disease. In the skies, in the skies. Over you, over me. That's disease. In the breeze, in the moon. Over you, it'll be over soon. That's my good now, that's my way out. That's how I get down, that's your way out. It's my looking now, it's mine, it's mine. Whack-a-mole in the sun, it's
the best of it. Break the rust, thrust the crust down ubiquitous. Fuck my bravery, slavery, see to it myself. Saving myself, I should be saving myself. Take it back, back. Like the heart. Make the best of it, and the power back to break the rust. And I would be good like you. I could be so like you, so like you, so like you, so like you. Telling you, it's so. You know it's so like you. Don't you know it's killing you? Boarding the ship as it sinks to the bottom. Raising the dead, no one cares, so why bother? Losing yourself when you cry on my shoulder. I should be saving myself. Boarding the ship, raising the dead, losing yourself and saving myself. But it's so like you, it's true. It's so true. Don't know what to do, and it's killing you. My bravery, slavery way. Sing to yourself, sing to the bottom, saving myself, slave to the bottom, shaking the rust, thrust the crust down. Yeah, big winners. Oh, it's so like you. I should be saving you. Oh, baby, so, but you know it's so. Getting over you, hardest thing to put me under. Now won't you do? Walking dead, my parents, don't you see? I can't bury you when you're still walking. It's the same to you, won't take the pain from you. What was I supposed to do? Walking dead, coming true. Check. So I shape it like a napkin, laid up on
drop it right here because you gotta know about the werewolf coming out. It's a vampire tease and it's a disease, and I'm gonna help you out. Run while you can. I gotta make a plan. It's how I'm gonna break free from the chains of today. Anyway, you can help me. I'll be back there tomorrow. It's insane, but nothing I do would help me really change. It is insane, so let me count the ways.
So I'm told.
Fuck it.
You're no dying told.
There's this thing I wanna do,
but I've got my
really just one thing that you gotta know too. It happened way before you. Yeah, I'm trying hard every day to prove that I have agree. Fine by